Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to feature M13 OLED panel, ushering in a new era of smartphone displays. Samsung is reportedly planning to debut its new M13 OLED panel with the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. The M13 panel is said to offer significant improvements over the M12 panel that is currently used in the Galaxy S23 series. These improvements include a higher peak brightness, a wider color gamut, and a lower power consumption. The M13 panel is also said to be thinner and lighter than the M12 panel, which could lead to a more compact and lightweight design for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Overall, the M13 panel is expected to be a major upgrade over the M12 panel, and it could usher in a new era of smartphone displays. Here are some of the specific improvements that are expected with the M13 OLED panel. Peak brightness. The M13 panel is said to have a peak brightness of up to 1700 nits, which is 200 nits higher than the M12 panel. This will make the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display brighter and more vibrant, especially in direct sunlight. Color gamut. The M13 panel is said to cover 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, which is the standard color gamut used for cinema and HDR content. This means that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be able to display colors more accurately and vibrantly than previous Galaxy phones. Power consumption. The M13 panel is said to be 15% more power efficient than the M12 panel. This could lead to longer battery life for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In addition to the improvements to the display, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is also expected to feature a number of other upgrades, including a new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, up to 16 GB of RAM, and a 200MP main camera. The phone is expected to be released in the first half of 2024. The M13 OLED panel is a significant upgrade over the M12 panel, and it could usher in a new era of smartphone displays. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be one of the first phones to feature the M13 panel, and it could set a new standard.